is incredible. Juliet, you actually made it. Fantastic.
You! How could you do this? To our school! To the people we loved! What?
Juliet!
That's what I'm talking about.
Why are you a sexy looking zombie?
Mary Kate and Ashley.
What?
Oh,
What does that mean?
Oh, Juliet. I've been getting so lonely since you've been wasting all my dark purveyors. Poor Louis here is the only one left.
And there's about to be none.
Cocky little whore. I like that.
You are tall.
Bring it on, douchebag! I'm gonna F you up!
I love your passion, babe. Looks like we can make beautiful death together.
Why is he so cute? How dare you make a zombie look cute? Why? You shouldn't be doing this. That pompadour is excellent.
I've got a feeling when
Groovy,
I start
baby.
playing, you're just gonna die.
Yeah, the rock and roller zombie. Chuck Berry. Woo.
Rock and roll is here to stay. You're not.
I like that quote for some reason. Let's do it. Alright. I got a strategy. Hold on. Oop. I missed. Oh. Whoa. Name your guitar. That'd be cool if there were guitars named Nosferatu. And they had guns attached to it.
Knock that asshole down.
I'd play a Nosferatu. Alright, here we go. Yeah, this is what I want. This is what I do. Yeah, alright, this is one more hit. And then he comes right at me. Alright, yeah, there it is. Yeah, there we go. His legs. Oh, he's got like Peter Steele height. Rest in peace, Peter. I know he was modeled after that. But Peter didn't look like that. He was just very tall.
All right. Keep up now. We gonna fly. You ready? Now let's go to the depths of hell.
I love that.
Stop! Keep you waiting.
Sure, giant robot elephant. Doesn't even faze me anymore.
Alright, this might be hard. Okay. Alright, let's go. Alright. Just use up my bullets. Whatever. You're not doing much, but it's something.
You lame, legless asshole.
Oh, okay. Did not remember he could do that. This takes a while. Man. Wish I could, like, speed up my running somehow. Something like a giant arena that I gotta run across. These pillars look awesome. They have skulls in them. No, I don't want to spit on the ground, because then you do that pose at the end, and then it just wastes time. It's not the elephant's fault, Nick. Spoiler elephants. Giant elephants. No, this stupid pose, that's not what I want. Use it. A little more than halfway down. Come on.
It still keeps coming.
Alright, come on. Wait, no, spin on the ground. That stupid pose. No, stop. I could have done this. Yes, yeah. Right there. Yeah. One more hit.
He just keeps on trucking.
And jump. Oh, damn it. What? No. No. Okay, he's apparently not done yet. Come on. There. Alright. Ah. Damn it. Come on. No, come on. No, it says finish him. Why am I not able to finish him? What the? Nick, take it, please.
Awesome. Juliet!
Come on. I should be able to finish him by now. That was bullshit. Something happened there. Some kind of glitch. There we go. Yeah, that's what I wanted. I don't remember doing that, but okay. Oh. Alright. No. Again. Yeah, I don't remember I could do this with the buzzsaw. Well, that's cool. So that means sooner or later I can cut that off. Right. I think that's 2 legs, right? Now it's the last part.
Hey, now this is the essence of elephant rock. Make sure you don't fall behind here,
Can I have...
Dude, Black Knight.
Can I have your bike that can turn into this guy? I didn't mean to hit that, but okay. Let's see what it can do. Yeah, not that much when it comes to a boss battle, but okay. Yeah. I hate the rockets. Damn it, that's why. You want to try to avoid them, it doesn't work. What? What? Catch out your back butt. I mean, whatever I just said. I don't know what I said, back butt. What the hell is a back butt? That's what your butt is. It's just a little higher up on your back. Where you got shit stains on your collar. What was that a joke from? I forget. I'm almost dead. Thank God off screen I was in the shop and I bought all those Nick tickets and another Lollipop that I used earlier. How are they flailing like arms? Ah, man.
Seriously.
Yes, it does suck.
Awesome. Hang in there.
All those elephants in Africa. Fuck them.
Come on. One more hit. Yeah, there we go. And then I think another 2. Elephant. Don't scream at me. Don't scream at me. Alright.
The part where we die.
No? Okay. Alright, other tusk is done, or arm, whatever the buzzsaw thing is, I guess that was. To end. Oh, now you're chasing me? Okay. Okay. Whoop. Who screams kill it? Is that me or Nick? Or him? Lewis. I don't know. Alright, I cut off a tusk. Oh wait, I thought this was the last one. Oh, I cut off that front part. Oh yeah, that's right. He had like multiple ways for during this boss battle. Multiple. Yeah. Yeah, because then he was all powered up again. That ain't fair. What are all these mines?
You lame, legless asshole.
Ah! Oh! Oh! No! No! Okay. That was nice. What is your cage? Like, is it moving on your... It is! It's like twitching ribcage. Whoa! Damn it! Throwing everything at me now. Who's screaming that? Me? I'm guessing that's me. And it's kind of funny. I'm near you, so the mines aren't gonna get to me. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, I am so low on my friend. Oh, come on. No! No!
I think this is the part where we die.
Yes! Yeah, you have no reaction to that, Lewis. Just like, whatever. I'm dead. And we did it! Alright! Last Dark Purveyor done. Now you get to see who the final boss is.
Woo! Whole lot of shaking going on. Your turn, you whiny MySpace-haired jerk!
Fantastic work, Juliet. You've done everything just as I hoped you would, start to finish. Thanks for your cooperation. Now the real deal is fulfilled.
What? What are you talking about?
You incredibly hot idiot. I told you, for the gates of hell to open, a ritual must be enacted. And you were part of it all along. I set this whole thing up, you fools!
Why do you have belts on your arm?
Now the ceremony has been completed. Upon you had to sacrifice 5 pre-selected zombies, and they must utter the sacred words at the point of their deaths. Meus vita rege pro nefario coepto.
Why? Why are you doing all of this?
Because you're just like everyone else! You pretended to be different, but you're not!
What? Me?
Yes! Juliet, you, bitch!
Boom. And
This is the end. The real end to everything. This school, this world, deserves to be destroyed. It rejected me. It ridiculed me. So I'll make this rotten world even more rotten. Rot away. Rot away. Rot. 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 So fuck all of you. Your eternal screams of horror will be my pop music.
The gates are open. It's the zombie of zombies, Killabilly.
Yesterday, I stubbed my toe. I was like, this is the worst day ever. Yeah, not quite.
and now we fight the zombie of zombies, Killabilly. Oh, did I get my first A? I got my first A in the party hard mode! Oh my god, that's so awesome! Anyway, thank you so much for watching, boys and ghouls. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please tell me what you would like to see me play next. Have a good evening, everyone.